How you doing there, gardeners? Today's a big day. Today is a very big day. Our farming season outside kind of begins today. We're actually going to lay plastic, and we're going to see if our new John Deere 5086E will pull our our mulch layer. So plastic mulch layer. We're going to find out. I don't know why it won't. But what we have to do is we have cabbage, we have broccoli, we have cauliflower, soon to be onions, about 5 rows of onion or 5 beds of onions. So we have a lot going on there. Still have farm cleanup, and we also are going to be putting up another high tunnel. So a lot of things going on here. Stay with us. And right now, Delia is out there moving plants back out to the high tunnel. We move them in at night for fear of chilling them, stressing them out. So get them back out for the sunshine. This way they are going to be a lot more comfortable. I'm going to help her out. Take that. Yeah, drive. Delia says we have a lot of tomato plants, and she's right. Okay. Look at them beautiful tomato plants. All right. They just do better out here in the high tunnel, don't they, Delia? When it's warm.
It's warmer and they get more sun than they grow like.
We like it better in here with natural sunlight. It's nice and toasty. I'm gonna let Delia take this from my hand.
Okay, give me 2 seconds.
Yeah. 2 seconds. 1 Mississippi. Oh, you got there just in time. All right, let's go ahead and take these off.
And the cabbages here are starting to produce heads.
Yep. There's one. Here's another one. Well, I was all set to bring you guys along, but I forgot to set it up. Went ahead here and ran our rainflow 2570, and Delia's kind of just smoothing out it a little bit, but this is where our other high tunnel is going to go, so we saved a little bit of space here. When we get all done, we'll probably be able to put 1 more row in later on, but right now for construction, we'll leave it as is. But we did lay 5 total rows, didn't we, Delia? So that's good. Anyway, and it's laying it really nice. Laying it really nice. Yes, I'm not very straight, but anyway, we got to work on that for the next time. So I'm kind of getting my feel for the new tractor. I mean, it does a great job. I mean, this thing's a machine. So, all right, Delia, I'll let you go. And let's go park it in the shed. We're going to get rain, ain't we?
Rain, slush, a little bit of snow.
Yep, we're getting it all right now. So now we got 2 rows for onions at the time. And then we got 3 rows of cabbage, right? I mean, that... Yeah, so that's what we're ready for right now. And the very first night, a deer ran over our first plastic. We did lay a couple of them yesterday. You see it up there halfway, Delia? Yeah, there's holes up there. Them darn deer. What we ought to do is go and get some black tape and put on that, because them little rascals, the weed will grow through it if you don't cover it. So I'm not going to let that happen this year. So a little black plastic with tape will do some wonders. Delia's that back? Yep, that's good. All right. There we go. Looking good. I had a bigger field of view in the 1586, but that's okay. Delia's just putting dirt on the end of the plastic down there to make sure that's done. We're going to plant some prairie cherries here, and we also seeded a little grass. Got that area done. But now we're getting it. And right now it's just cold right now, so it won't be long before we're being farming all the way. All right, guys, I'll let you guys go, but we'll put this back in the shed. Freezing rain. Rats. Yeah. The ground is warm, so I'm not sliding. And I wanted to check out the high tunnel here real quick. Now by tonight, yes, I got an umbrella on. I offered my wife to walk with me, but she said no. Anyway, I want to check this high tunnel out. If I need to go on the inside and tap on it or something to kind of get the ice off of it, has me concerned. But throughout the night, it's going to be warming up. Believe it or not, around 1 a.m. it's going to be 35. So everything will be switching over. But look at all that water. The asparagus, no problem finding my electric fence now. Yeah. I think everything's looking pretty good. It's not a heavy ice storm. We did the plastic, laid lasagna bed plastic there earlier. So just because we knew this storm was coming, let me go over here and see what she find out. I mean, it is always pretty to see the ice, but how bad is it, Delia? It's froze. They say you ought to tap it from the inside. Here, let's see what we can do. All right, you go turn your lights off. I'll see if I can do something on it, but yeah. I'm gonna tap on it with a broom handle to kind of help break it free. I mean, it's not a ton, but it's there. Let me see what I can do. It's dripping. All right, let me go inside, folks. I'll be right back and tell you what I found out. I think Delia's got a little bit of an idea there. Just kind of going along the outside. There's not much. I think I would just not worry about it, Delia, because part of it's melting. So Delia did that, but I think it's, a lot of it's melting on it. It's yeah, kind of, yeah. And we're right at 32, so it's not. And there is some heat inside of that building due to the gray sky. I'm not saying sunny and hot, but due to the gray sky, it's kind of. I think we just decided we're not going to take a chance and rip something. So anyway. Delia's got that. You're gonna shut the lights off?
I did. The other ones are automatic.
They're automatic. All right, so we're good to go.
The only one that's not at the bottom when I shut it off.
Okay. Yeah, we got to manage them lights, don't we? Well, we find out, what did that girl say? That it's important that to manage your light.
You have the same outdoors as indoors.
Here you go. You have to keep that way you're not messing.
So she said every 2 weeks she adjusts it to what it naturally is outside.
Hold on. Say that again, Delia.
That every 2 weeks she adjusts the lights inside to be naturally what it is outside.
So I think that's the Canada gardener is what I think who says that. So anyway, hop in here, Delia. Join me. Well, I'm not grabbing you. I got too many. She doesn't. Here's the argument. I offered my assistance of her holding on to me, but for some reason she thinks
that if he goes down, he's taking me down, so he can go down by himself.
Well, it don't matter one way or the other. The ground is not frozen, is it? Yeah, ain't it? I mean, the ground is actually thawed out, ain't it? So we were in the 70s yesterday, so.
And the day before, almost 80.
Almost 80, unbelievable. February. So February 27th, almost 80, and the 28th we're in the 70s. So anyway, I think we're gonna be okay. So all right, folks, we'll check in with you tomorrow. Be safe.